Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravy's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravy. Alright guys, for this video, just another quick one. Just a little update on the Coco Psycho clone that I was, or that I have been brewing, put my teeth in. This is the finished product. I'm about to bottle it. Well, I'll be bottling it within the next couple of hours. As you can see, nicely clearing. And I have already made up some labels that will be going on the bottles. I'll show you the bottles very shortly. There will be the particulars: 10.5%, 29 IBUs, and it will be bottled today. On the subject of the bottles, because I intend to just store this for a little bit, well, I say a little bit, I'm hoping until Christmas. I've got some old glass bottles that I acquired from a family member. As you can see, they have been washed out. I'm going to be sanitizing them very shortly, getting the beer into the bottles, and again hopefully storing them until Christmas. By which time, guys, I will probably bring you a review. Guess we'll just have to wait and see. But anyway, this is all I wanted to show you for now. Just a quick update on this one. So, again, that's all I've got for you. So until next time, from Gravy's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravy, and I'll see you later. Cheers.